Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these earbuds into pairing mode. So the buds are in a case. Let me open the lid up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange. But I get a solid green light here. Mine turns off. So for myself, let me just manually put this into pairing mode. There's a button here on the back. Little round button. Press and hold that button and wait till it starts blinking green, orange. Okay, so button here, ready, press and hold, keep holding, wait, green, orange. Now it's in pairing mode. Now shoot over directly to your Samsung TV and just go to settings. I'll just navigate to the settings here on the left and go all the way down to settings right there. Select that and then select all settings right there. From here, we want to go to sound right there. Okay on the remote, and then sound out is currently come out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these earbuds. So let's select sound out, sound output. From here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth speakerless. Select that. Now that little spinny thing up there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is a 35 feet Bluetooth range. So let's keep going down until we can find them. Ah, there you go. It says needs pairing, OpenDots needs pairing. So let's go ahead and select it. Pair and connect. And it's connecting. Wait 1 second. Oh, got a solid green light, so we're connected here on the earbuds. And now if I scroll all the way up, you can see that it says connected right there. So there you go, we're connected, ready to go. Now if you had issues, couldn't pair, put it in pairing mode, or problems pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.